Hi friends, today you can see Aurora holiday celebrations of light with us. Mama recorded by both GoPro and iPhone. After Phillips Park you can see Aurora Downtown. Let's see holiday lights with us.
Light! Wow! Not just mine. I can see only snowman now.
Light.
Snowman's in a snowman.
Sarah, which color? Snowman.
Wow!
It's a flag. Light. Yeah.
She's clapping. Hey, teddy bear! It's red. Christmas tree.
Splash pad. You remember Sandy?
Splash pad.
Splash pad. Splash pad.
Yes. Really ice skating car jumping. Is this one zoo?
Philips Zoo. Philips Zoo. This one Zoo means Sandy. Zoo para Philips Zoo. The crocodile. See. Deers are running. Deers.
Yeah.
See, front. Light.
They're hopping.
Hopping.
Hopping? High.
Deers are hopping. See?
Yeah, they're hopping so high. There's so many snowflakes. No more snowflakes. There is so much snowflakes. Look, reindeer and Christmas trees. They're putting hats. They're wearing hats. We're in Philips Zoo and we're looking at the animals. Penguin.
Igloo Sandy.
Igloo and penguin are hopping over. I knew it was Philips Zoo because of the elephant. Statue elephant. No! Oh, Santa!
She's alive.
We gotta get my deer. We're not in the bottom.
It's a garden with flowers and bananas. horse. Nice. Yeah.
She's clapping. Hey, teddy bear. Christmas tree. Aeroplane.
See. Deers are running. Deers.
Deer.
See, it's front.
Light.
They're hopping.
Hopping. Deers are hopping. See? Igloo, sir.
Igloo and penguin are hopping right there. I knew it was Philip Zoo because of the elephant statue. No. Penguin, I think. This is penguin. No.
See, it's light. Yeah.
We can get inside every single thing.
Go inside.
Like that one. That house. Mama.
Yeah.
So in that last break, is it kind of like a tunnel?
No, it's not tunnel. You can bike there. I always bike there.
No, like I'm asking, so like there is one white cover.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
The Aurora Festival of Lights is the largest free outdoor drive-through holiday light display in the region, with dazzling displays and merry music that will delight children and adults. It's a mile of sparkling lights for a month of magical nights. We love it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned.